Samsung Galaxy S24 FE promo materials reveal detailed specs. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE has been in the rumors for quite some time. Now the promo materials have surfaced, revealing almost all the specifications of the phone. This reveals a bigger 6.7-inch FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED screen with up to 1900 nits peak brightness, sleeker 1.9mm bezels, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus plus protection, new Exynos 2400E SoC, familiar triple camera setup and a slightly bigger 4565 mAh battery. Earlier rumors revealed 12GB of RAM for the phone. Samsung Galaxy S24 FE rumored specifications: 6.7-inch FHD plus Infinity O dynamic AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, up to 1900 nits peak brightness, Gorilla Glass Victus plus protection. Up to 2.9 GHz GPU octa-core Samsung Exynos 2400E 4nm processor with Samsung Exynos 940 GPU. 12GB RAM, 128GB per 256GB storage. Android 14 with One UI 6.1.1. Dual SIM. 50MP rear camera, OIS, 12MP 123 degrees ultra-wide sensor, f2.2 aperture, 8MP telephoto camera with OIS, 3x optical zoom, f2.4 aperture. 10MP front camera with f24 aperture. Water resistant, IP68. USB Type-C audio, stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos. In-display fingerprint scanner.